Hello, my name is Shane Angelic A. Aras and I am from grade 11 STEM101A. This is a video presentation about our wine fermentation. This is the wine that I made. It is made from tomatoes, and tomatoes has a lot of benefits. Like, it has a lot of lycopene. It is loaded with lycopene. And lycopene improves the health of our heart, and it lowers the risk of cancer, and it has sun protection. This is our wine. It is named Eulik wine. The struggles and errors that I encountered while making the wine is the wine spoilage. I made the procedure 2 times because the first wine that I made got spoiled. I took note of the possible causes of the errors of my wine to improve it when I'm going to make it again. My first wine smelled like vinegar, so I researched why it smelled like that. And I saw that it interacted with the air that consists of acetobacter organisms, which is the mother of vinegars. So when I made my wine again, I made sure that it has less time on being exposed to the air. And while filtering it, I just let it sit for a day so it will be more clear, like this. And also, when I made it again, I made sure that all my equipments are sterilized.
Lasang Carlo Rossi. Medyo mapait. Mapakula.
Ano po yung lasa?
Wala siyang walang lasang matamis.
Ano pa po?
Medyo maasim.
Ano pa po?
May slight na pakla.
Okay po.
Yun. Hindi. Parang konti lang. Konti lang.
My conclusion for the wine fermentation is all you need is sugar and yeast to make the fermentation and a fruit of your choice, the juice of the fruit of your choice, to make the fermentation happen. And be sure that your equipments are sterilized before making your wine. That is all. Thank you.